Understanding tilling and planting, a guide to agricultural terms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of agriculture with a focus on two essential activities, tilling and planting. These terms are not just fundamental to farming but also enrich our understanding of how food grows. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about agriculture, you're in the right place. Let's explore these processes together and understand their significance in food production. Tilling is the process of preparing the soil for planting. It involves breaking up and turning over the soil to aerate it, which helps improve its structure and nutrient availability. Tilling can be done manually with tools like hoes and shovels, or mechanically with tractors and tillers. The main goals of tilling are to remove weeds, mix organic matter into the soil, and create a smooth surface for planting. However, it's important to note that excessive tilling can lead to soil erosion and loss of soil fertility, which is why some farmers prefer minimal or no-till methods. Planting is the act of sowing seeds or transplanting seedlings into the ground where they will grow. The process varies depending on the plant species, the method of planting, direct seeding or transplanting, and the type of agriculture, traditional or modern. Effective planting involves considering the depth at which seeds are sown, the spacing between plants, and the timing of planting to ensure optimal growth conditions. Planting is a critical step in agriculture, as it determines the potential yield and quality of the crop. Tilling and planting are crucial stages in the agricultural cycle that affect food production and sustainability. Proper soil preparation through tilling can enhance soil health and crop yield, while efficient planting ensures that plants have the best possible start in life. Together, these practices play a vital role in feeding the world's population. They also highlight the importance of sustainable farming practices to preserve soil health and ensure food security for future generations. And there you have it, a closer look at the processes of tilling and planting. We've explored their definitions, purposes, and their critical role in agriculture. Remember, these terms are not just about growing food. They reflect the care and knowledge that go into producing the meals on our tables. I hope this video has been informative and has deepened your appreciation for agriculture. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.